What's up, guys? Today we are gonna get the rest of our panels caught up with the panels that are already black. So today we're gonna spray 4921 over the both doors, one fender, and the deck lid. The fender, one of the doors and the deck lid is the originals from the car, and they had a little bit of surface rust type pits, like surface rust pits into the metal, and we really couldn't do much to get that rust out. So we did the metal prep system, and what that does is it's like kind of the first step is starts to eat the rust out, and then the second step puts a phosphate coating on. So any rust any microscopic particles of rust that may be there are neutralized at this point. The metal has been prepped. It's ready for epoxy. So that's what we're gonna do. We got F4921. We're gonna put on this, and then we're gonna give this about 6 or 8 hours. We're gonna come in and scuff all of the 4921, scuff the exterior of every panel in here with a red Scotch-Brite, and then we're gonna come and spray 2050 over top of that, and then these will be ready to go back on the car. So now we've got the F4921 down, black epoxy. We've got 2 coats of this down. This is sat for about 6 hours. Yesterday we did the hood, those 2 front pieces, 1 fender. So today, the pieces that we just put the black on have been sitting about 6 hours. So now what we're gonna do is come in with a red Scotch-Brite, and we're just gonna give this kind of a light scuff. And then we're gonna go to 2050. Now, the tech sheet for this epoxy says that the recoat window is up to 7 days with the results of a solvent rub test. That's great. So we will have some chemical adhesion when we put 2050 onto this. They will somewhat melt together and make a chemical bond. But I don't completely trust that. It's always a good idea to just put a scratch in it. Makes for better adhesion. So that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna scuff the exterior of all these panels and get some 2050 on all this. So there we go. F4921 black with 2 coats of BP 2050 on top of that. And one reason why we do that is 4921 will stick better to metal than 2050. But also when we start blocking these panels and doing filler work, if we burn through the gray and we hit black, we know we're about to hit bare metal, and that's all the blocking we're gonna get out of that particular area. So it kind of helps you not burn through to bare metal again as well.